So this video is going to be super quick and super easy and super important when I am working with batting, when I am working with fabric, when I am working with anything. You know that we get those little threads everywhere. It's just a constant threads everywhere and lint everywhere. It just happens. And so my favorite way to hit my quilts is with a fur wizard. I'm assuming that these were originally for pets, I guess. But it's basically just your lint roller. But I like this one. It's big. It's large. You go on ahead and brush it in the direction of the arrow here, and it will pick up your lint and your hairs and all the things. And it's just my favorite thing to use. It's a thing that I've been gravitating. I look for it every time I finish a quilt. Every time I'm at a stage where I'm like, oh, there's some little pieces that I've snipped away. And this one here comes with these pieces here. And it comes with this little one. Now this little one is not super great in regards to just using it on something. But the cool thing about this one is you can take this one apart and pull this right out the bottom. And then you can use it like that. And that's also how you clean the little lint out when it is full, because when you push it back in here, there are some hairs that go the opposite direction, and that cleans it off when you pull it. So I hope you guys can see that. I don't know that you can, but there are these on the inside that are going the opposite direction. So when you push it in and then you pull it back out, all your lint will be gone. It's just light, easy. It's a large size. I don't love doing the sticky things. I mean, I have them, but I 100% prefer this one better. They have a bunch of different variations of them. I just happen to have the Fur Wizard, and it comes with this little one here. Got them off of Amazon. They are my preference. Nice and easy notions for notions. Again, I find myself grabbing this all the time, especially around on my sewing pad too. There's just lint and buildup around there of cotton, and this just works perfectly. So guys, thank you so much for watching another Notions for Notions video. If you haven't done so already, please like, comment, subscribe. Check the other Notions for Notions videos. Last week's was a really good one. People really had a lot of good things to say about it. And also, my t-shirts and merchandise are available for sale. So check that too, just below the description bar. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.